Welcome to the Cooking General. If you were born in the 56s, this recipe gonna go right over your head. We're gonna do pork loin and turkey neck stew. You like pork loin and turkey neck? How we do that, Cooking General? Check it out. First of all, you want to try to pre-boil your turkey necks. Just pre-boil, not done, about 25% ready. Not all the way ready, just 25%. Okay, we're gonna need some black pepper for this recipe. You're gonna need some garlic, onions, celery, and bell pepper. You also gonna need some onion soup mix. And then you know you're gonna need your pork loin, flour. You're gonna need some olive oil to sear your pork loin in, potatoes, and carrots. Now, pork loin and turkey neck stew, you think that ain't gonna be good? We're gonna make a plain of cornbread too, just to top it off. So come back and check this recipe out. Hey, for the old schools, this is good. Young schools, go to McDonald's. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Okay, now, I use my shear scissors to cut my pork loin up. Now come in, let me show you. Now, I stripped that up. It's already was pre-seasoned. I bought a pre-seasoned pork loin. What you want to do? You want to sprinkle a little flour on it because we're going to have a little gravy to this here. There we go, like that there. Just put your little flour on it. They're going to thicken up that liquid later on. But you want to go ahead and shear your meat. So you put it in the skillet and you shear it. There you go. You want to brown a little bit. Now this is my onions, my bell pepper, and my celery. We're going to put that in there and get, well, y'all already know me now. Get all that out of there. Now, camera there. Now, we're going to stir this up, and we're going to shear it. Like that. Oh, one shot over here. Put it back in there. Put it back. There we go. Now, check this out. I'm going to finish shearing that up. When I shear that up, I'm going to put my turkey necks on, and we're going to put that Lipton soup in, get there with the water, and get that to boiling. Oh, it's going to be on. Then we're going to add the carrots, and then the potatoes. Come back, I'll show you. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, see there? I got my pork loin shearing. I got the onions, the bell pepper, and the celery. Now you put the turkey necks on. Now what you want to do with turkey necks, you want to add your little black pepper to it. Shake some black pepper in there, just like that. Simple. There, am I right there? Now, what you want to do now, put your little garlic off in there. There we go. All right there. Now, what you want to do, you want to add your onion soup mix. 1 pack should do it. There we go. Get all that out of there. Now, get that out of there. Then we're going to take that, we're going to stir it up, and we're going to put this up on high temperature. We're going to get this to boiling. We're going to shear this here. And then later on, when this get to boiling, we're going to put our carrots. And later on, our potatoes. Man, this going to, ooh, man, y'all just don't know. Man, this is going to be good. Oh, it's going to be good. Like I told you, youngsters, go to McDonald's. Go to McDonald's. When it is, go get, this is going to be a meal. Just for older people. Ask somebody. Cooking General back. Okay, check it out. Now, you got the flour in there with the meat. And sauteing it. Now, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and put your carrots off in there. We're going to saute them too. Put them in there. Oh, no, you don't go nowhere. Put them in there. Now, we're going to saute that up in there. Now, we got our turkey necks over here boiling. Now, when the turkey necks get to boiling, they get about halfway done, about done, about 75%. We're going to add our potatoes. And we're going to put the potatoes in there. And we're going to put this here off in there with it. We're going to saute this here up. Man, you talking about a meal. This is going to be on, I'm telling you, like popcorn. Cooking General. Ask somebody, baby. Ask them. They'll tell you. All right, y'all. Cooking General about finished. Let's go and wrap this up. Okay, now. We got all this here sauteed. There's the onions, your bell pepper and celery with your carrots. Turkey necks about done. They're about 85% done. So what you want to do now, you want to add your potatoes. Put your potatoes in there. Now, we're going to also add this here. It's our sirloin steak. Sirloin steak. Pork loin steak. My bad. You know what I'm talking about. Let's add that in there. Now, you want to mix that up in there good. And you talking about a hell of a stew. They're going to have a real nice gravy. We got our cornbread already baking. Mix this up good. Now, that's gonna cook. We're gonna let that cook. Let's put this top on. And look at here. We got our cornbread coming along pretty good. Man, you talking about eating? 4th of July? Hey, it's gonna be on. Come back. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look when I finish. Cook in General. Ask them. Just 1-800 General back here. It's done. Check it out. Come on, let's check this out here. Look at this stew. Carrots. Look at this. Pork loin, turkey necks, potatoes, and look at that gravy. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go here. Man, I even had to make another one of these here because for July, you know what I'm saying? It was so good the last one. Y'all ain't check this out here. You need to check out this here egg omelet baked. It's good, so I had to make another one. But let's get back over to this here. This is a star. Put that cornbread on there. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. You see it? Look at. Did you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Do the audience see it? Look what the audience doing. Y'all not looking over here. Look at this stuff. Look, no, look, look. Look over there. Cook it, you ask somebody.